Let me show you how to shuck corn the easy way. No more pulling, peeling, or dealing with those pesky silks. The traditional method to shuck corn or remove it from the husk is to pull away from the top, layer by layer. Once you get the husk all the way to the bottom, you can just twist it and remove the bottom. And then remove these silky strings that are left one by one. You are left with a bunch of silks everywhere, and my quick tip for that is to get a clean microfiber cloth and rub it down your silk. And then you'll see how easily they come up. You can repeat the process with the rest of the corn, but if you want to get it to this without dealing with those pesky silks, let me show you how it's done. First, I'm going to take my kitchen knife and slice about 1/2 inch up from the base. And now that you have this, you're going to place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. You can throw one in there or a bunch, adding an extra minute for every corn. Then grab a kitchen towel because it's hot, take it out and put it on your board and let it sit there for about a minute. Then just pick it up from the top, and as you can see, it slides right out. And just like that, we have shucked corn with no strings, and you can now grill it, cook it any way you like. And by the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.